Good day, everybody. Oh my, look how pretty it is. Look how pretty it is. I saw it just a couple days ago, and I keep on turning it so it doesn't touch the glass, the window, and it's stubborn and it keeps on leaning on the glass, and that's why it was sticked. Oh, it's so cute. It's beautiful, this huge flower. So far, this is the next year, and she has given me another flower. I'm very, very happy and satisfied with this cactus. I forget the name. I will write it down for the title and below as well. I just couldn't leave the cactus just like that without filming this part and making sure I grab a nice picture of her. She is just gorgeous. Look how gorgeous she is. Isn't she so gorgeous? It's huge, actually. The flower is huge. I wanted to share this little tiny video to show you my happiness and my beautiful flower. And you're probably asking why I have a red thread on it. Well, it said for good luck, so I don't know, believers. I usually put a red for one, for good luck, two, for certain people have how do you say it, I don't know how to explain it, like it protects from other people's bad vibes. Like some people don't know that they have a bad eye, and when they look at the plants and whatever, it kind of the plant senses and it starts drooping and it starts getting sad. I don't know, that little myth has been said in my country, and that's why I put these little red things to my favorite plants and to the other ones that are not sensitive. Well, so far so good. Yes, my friends, subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Happy growing. Bye.